Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a beautiful toast message effect in a Flutter application using the GetX package. If you are already using GetX for state management, you don't need any third-party package for this effect. So let's get started. So this is a very basic Flutter counter app. Now I remove unwanted code from here. So this is a very basic structure where I create a stateless class. Here I add a elevated button. After press the elevated button, the toolbar will be show here. So showing the toast message, you have to add the GetX package in your pubs.yaml file. I already add the package. Now in lib folder I create another file named toast message widget file. Here I call the snackbar controller from GetX package. I give a name this will return Get.snackbar. I leave the title and message empty. For showing the title, we use title text. This will accept widgets, so we can pass a container. In container, add a decoration, box decoration. In box decoration, add a color. Gray color with opacity. With opacity is deprecated after 3.27, so I will use with value with alpha, which similar to with opacity. Border radius circular, I will add 50. Now after the decoration, add a child text will be the message which we want to show. So the message will be passed through the parameter. Remove unused URL. So now title text is ready. Now to snackbar position will be bottom and snackbar style will be floating. So we will copy the name and call in elevated button and add a message. And input the URL. So before running, we have to make the material app to get material app because we are using GetX. So save. Now check. So here is the toast message we see. So there is a background, so you have to remove the background color. The color will be transparent. Now check. Okay, that's quite good. Now have to make the container center with wrap with center widget. Okay, that's good. In container we will add padding. Padding will be symmetric, horizontal and vertical. Horizontal will be 10 and vertical will be 14. Okay, vertically we can add 5. That's much better. So blur will be 0. And the padding, add a padding from bottom. Okay, now we have to make the snack bar dismissible false, because the toast can't be dismissible. We complete the tutorial and we get what we want. Now in our app where we want to use toast message, we just call the toast message widget and pass the message, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, see you in next